Elbit Systems presents the Hermes 900 Multi-Mission Male UAS. The Hermes 900 is the next-generation medium-altitude long-endurance UAS, integrating multiple cutting-edge payloads, a versatile and reliable air vehicle, and battle-proven intuitive mission-centric control. The Hermes 900 is the ultimate UAS solution for today's complex challenges. Since becoming operational in the IDF in the mid-1990s, Hermes Family Systems logged more than 300,000 operational flight hours in more than 40,000 successful combat missions for various forces around the globe, making them the most versatile and reliable tactical unmanned aircraft platform in the world. With improved payload capacity, longer range, extended endurance, higher flight performance, and weather resistance, the Hermes 900 air vehicle can perform longer missions in the hardest environments. A 2.5-meter-long internal payload bay and external wing hardpoints enable easier customization to a wide variety of missions using various multispectral payload configurations. With standing configuration, the Hermes 900 wide-area optical and SIGINT payloads enable effective coverage, detection of multiple and covert targets, and pinpointing selected ones, thus closing the sensor-to-shooter cycle quicker than ever before. In standoff configuration, the Hermes 900 flies remotely from the area of interest, exploring and gathering information without being detected. In maritime patrol configuration, the system covers large water areas, integrating ISTAR capabilities into the Navy's maritime data network, thus decisively contributing to overall maritime situational awareness. The Hermes 900 integral satellite communications link the air vehicle to the Hermes ground control station. The Hermes GCS, common to the entire Hermes UAS family, is characterized by an intuitive, mission-centric design with a high level of automation, enabling operators to perform complex missions while focusing on payload outputs and mission-critical aspects, and relieving them from excess load related to technical tasks. The Hermes GCS offers the unique capability to perform joint flight missions, simultaneously operating 2 air vehicles from a single ground station, using 2 discrete data links. This unique capability enables unmatched operational flexibility managing the Hermes fleet. The Hermes 900 is designed and built to meet customers' demanding certification requirements. As the world's armed and security forces are putting more and more emphasis on complex UAS missions, the need for high-performance multi-payload systems is increasing. Hermes 900's highly autonomous nature, class-leading payload capacity, rich variety of cutting-edge payloads, and network-enabled GCS operation make it the ideal solution for the most demanding UAS challenges. Hermes 900 UAS from Elbit Systems. Versatile, intuitive, effective.